have Education Technology Workshop by Ms. Medha Krishnan, the CEO, and Mr. Shekhar Suman, the Chief Innovation Officer of TAN 90. A huge round of applause.
Having us here. A couple of you have already met us outside. Before we go any further, I'll hand the stage over to my partner here, Shekhar. Shekhar?
Yes. My name is Shekhar. I am from 1090, and today I will show something different. Okay. So I will ask one or two questions. My English is not good, so I will use English. Sometimes Hindi, sometimes English. Okay. So what is this? Who will tell? What is this? Huh?
Is it a balloon? I can hear somebody saying straw, I guess. Yes?
All people are saying straw. Yes, this is straw. But I will tell. मैं माइक थोड़ा सा छोड़ देता हूँ. Okay, good. तो फिर यहीं से बोलता हूँ. Done. So this is the godfather of physics experiment. Okay. This is the godfather of physics experiment. अगर आप सर में ऐसे रब करोगे तो स्टैटिक इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इससे पढ़ा सकते हो बच्चों को. ठीक है. उसके बाद अगर इसको बीच से कट कर दोगे और इस तरह से इसको फूकोगे, बर्नौली प्रिंसिपल पढ़ा सकते हो आप बच्चों को. ठीक है. एंड देन अगर आप 3 पार्ट्स को कट करके इसको ट्रायंगल शेप में लाओगे तो आप सेंट्रीफ्यूगल फोर्स पढ़ा सकते हो बच्चों को. हाँ, मैथ्स भी पढ़ा सकते हैं. इसलिए मैं इसको बोलता हूँ कि ये गॉड फादर है, इससे कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. तो मैं एक एक्सपेरिमेंट करता हूँ. नाउ आई विल डू वन एक्सपेरिमेंट. दिस इज द स्ट्रॉ एंड 2 फिंगर को मेजर करेंगे, इसको जोर से दबाएंगे एंड देन आई विल कट इन ट्रायंगल शेप एंड नाउ आई विल ब्लो. स्टार्ट. सारे गामा पादा निसा. हाँ, यहाँ पे फूकते हैं तो अच्छा आवाज आए. अब इससे साउंड भी पढ़ा सकते हैं आप. ओके. तो इससे लॉट्स ऑफ एक्टिविटी करवा सकते हैं एक छोटे से स्ट्रॉ से. अब आपके टेबल पे एक पेपर रखा हुआ है, आप लोग सब उठा लीजिए. कलरफुल पेपर होगा.
Could you just check on your tables? Yes. Our colleagues have placed a couple of pieces of paper. This is a workshop, so we wanted it to be like a workshop. If you could carry along with us, please.
And every day I do PBL learning. आवाज आ रही है. Hello, hello, hello. Yes. Every day I do PBL learning, but now I will do CBL learning, challenge-based learning. Okay. So I will give you challenge for 1 minute, and you have to make. So first I will make, but I will not show. What is this? Color paper. Okay. Yes. Oh sorry, मैं जब भी कुछ करता हूँ ना तो मैं थोड़ा भूल जाता हूँ कि मैं कहाँ हूँ, इसलिए. तो what is this? Paper. Okay. मैं अब बस बिना देखे इसको फाड़ूंगा. This is CBL learning. Okay. First you see and you make. सब लोग देख रहे हैं लेकिन दिखेगा कुछ नहीं. Yes. And now what is this? Oh sorry. Now what is this? No. ये स्कूल गर्ल बन गई. ताली भी बजा लीजिए. Now what is this? School girl. This is paper craft activity. But STEM एजुकेशन में हम लोग बात करते हैं STEAM. आर्ट भी इनबिल्ड कर रहे हैं STEM में. ये जरूरी है. If you will do art, then you can make different types of science model. You can make design your own model. Okay. So now I will make one. Sorry. Yes. So you have 1 minute time, and now you can make. You have only 1 minute time. Please fold paper and tear the paper. All are doing good job. Okay. So my name is Shekhar Suman. Please, sir, आप जब खेल रहे हैं तो बच्चे भी क्लास में खेलेंगे. Only 1 minute because I don't have more time. इधर से आवाज आ रही है, ज्यादा टाइम हो गया भाई. If you will fold the paper and tear the paper, so you will make something new. I am from 1090. When I was 10, so that time I found one motor, okay, and then I made water pump, and from then my science journey started. And now I have 370 science lab across the India. We are in 19 states. Okay. Now, Medha. Yes.
All right. Thank you so much, everyone. I'm Medha. I run TAN90 along with Shekhar. Our motivation is completely hands-on. We just want children to enjoy and fall in love with math and science. What they do, what teachers do, everything is secondary to us. The love for these subjects should remain. With that, like Shekhar, there are many innovators across India. Like Shekhar said, we work with many schools. I'll just call out one or two stories in the interest of time. We work with a lot of government schools, a lot of children who struggle for resources. And from there also we have managed to see so much creativity. Like Purvi here has won the Inspire Award. She's in the top 20 this year. And she made something very simple, a cannula glove that can help small children keep their hands steady when they're getting IV drips. Omkar from Igatpuri in Maharashtra has made a patrolling vehicle to help the police so that they don't need to be present everywhere. And it completely uses sensors and IoT. Just access to material can make a huge difference in the lives of children. And this is for government children. So imagine children who have exposure. Children from schools like yours, right? The sky is the limit to how much can be done and how much of their creativity can we help bring to life. And then what journey they take after that is completely up to them. And it'll only be onwards, upwards, and outwards, right? So that's basically our mission. I'll quickly move on and tell you a little bit. A lot of you have come to our stall. If you haven't, please come by. TAN90 stall is right here. We can describe our products to you in person rather than in this presentation. I'll quickly move to a fun thing that I want to talk to you about. If you're from Bangalore on the 25th of January, all this innovation that we propagate in schools, it's coming together in the form of a finale with 30 brilliant ideas born from children's minds. They have brought it to life in the form of projects to make Bangalore a more sustainable city. These are all working models that are going to be competing. So if you want to see what TAN90 does, more than me talking, the work that these students will present on the 25th will blow your minds away. So please do come, please encourage all of us. And if you want to know more about our products, our stall is right outside. Thank you so much, everybody. Have a great day.
Thank you, thank you. अच्छा लगा सेशन? प्लीज एक बार जोर से बोलिए. मेरे पास ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं था, नहीं तो मैं आज एक ऐसा चीज़ दिखाता जो आप आज तक पूरे लाइफ में देखे ही नहीं होंगे. ना गूगल पे मिलेगा ना यूट्यूब पे, लेकिन टाइम था नहीं. अगर 1 मिनट मिल जाता तो मैं दिखा देता आपको. यस यस, स्टॉल पे दिखाएंगे. थैंक यू, थैंक यू.
I would like to call upon Ms. Surekha Bhatt, the principal of Canara High School, to felicitate Ms. Medha Krishnan, the CEO, and Mr. Shekhar Suman, the Chief Innovations Officer of TAN90. A huge round of applause. Mr. Shekhar, can